one, which is going to be talking about scatter plots and financial literacy. So for scatter plots, keep in mind that you want to circle your data points, and this is going to be a linear graph, scatter plot, because it makes a line, and so you'll circle it and also draw a line of best fit. Now this particular scatter plot is going to be a strong negative correlation, okay, because it's going down from left to right, and that's how we read graphs.
And those dots are tight. They're close together, so that means that's why she wrote strong.
That's right.
There.
Make sure that you read very, very carefully what the question's asking you. A lot of times you guys just want to come to the x-axis and go up to try to find your answer. That's not always the case. Sometimes they may give you the information for your y-axis, and you're going to actually have to look across and down to your x. So just read very carefully, okay?
All right. And the last thing in category 4 is financial literacy. We are looking at the simple compound interest, and make sure that when you know that simple interest finds the interest only. If I want to know the total, I've got to add my principal back to my interest, and that will give me my ending balance. If we're looking for, if we're using the formula compound interest finds us the total amount. If the question if we've read carefully and the question says, how much interest does so-and-so have, you know that you have to take that total amount, subtract the principal, and that will be what your remaining will be the interest that remains. Okay, it's really important to make sure that you're reading. We want to see T-charts. We want to see the formula written. And don't forget the
scholarships when you're dealing with the college
plans. And they'll say free money for your parents are gifting you money. That's money we need to subtract from the school amount. If it's a scholarship, you know that you need to subtract it. If it's loans, those things are not
books,
free.
Supplies, board and room, all of those you need to.
Gas, even, like, transportation, that's money that's going to be added. So I think we've closed it up. We realized that we did forget to say something about Pythagorean theorem. So on those long triangles like this, remember that you need to half that base in order to find the height or the side length. Just remember not to use 12 squared, because that's not part of the right triangle. All right, guys, you're going to do great.
Good luck.